How to cancel Tenorshare subscription. Hello friends, if you are searching how to cancel Tenorshare subscription, so try this method. Today I will show you how to cancel. I'm going to subscription, some easy steps, and you screen go to start cancel Tenorshare subscribe contact form, and you can cancel Tenorshare subscription quickly by contacting their customer service team for this file out this contact form and submit it. Their team file out and form with the required detail, and make sure to select the subscription problem from and option under that's what you can help you filled and from filed. Click on the submit button. You and your cancellation request will be sent done, and their team you will get reply. Their team will contact you within 48 hours submitting form, and you done. By using this method you can easily cancel your Tenorshare subscription, guys. And I hope this video helpful for you. Then comment, like, share this video for more content. Thanks again for watching this video. Like this video.